Hello students. So this is the next problem of orthographic projection. In this problem, the figure shows an pictorial view of an object. Draw the following ways: front view and top view. From x direction, we can draw the front view of an object. So side view it is not required to draw because question only for the front view and top view. So x direction. So initially calculate the length, height and width. So for length plus 20 mm. That 20 mm means that is a 10 mm, the cylindrical portion extruded part for one side, for second side 10 mm, so total 20 mm. 60 mm, it is a middle portion, that is 60 mm, 20 plus 60, and 40 mm, that is a 20 mm for one side, 20 mm for other side, that is 40. 60 plus 40 plus 20, that is 120 mm, it is total length of the object. Then height of the object we can calculate. So first height of the object from the base, so this is the radius. So total diameter it is given 50 mm. From the center point to this radius it is 25 mm. Then from center point to this edge it is given this height, total height of the object 45 mm, and 40 mm, that is from the base of this cylindrical portion to the top end it is given 40 mm. So 40 plus 45 plus 25, that is 110 mm is the height of the object, and directly we get the total width of the object in this direction. Okay, so this is the width of the object, that is 90 mm. So initially draw the horizontal line, vertical line. It is not required to find out the profile plane because of only we required to draw the front view and top view. So mark here VP and HP. Then in this portion, so first we start with the front view of an object. So in front view we can see the object, that is a highlighted portion. So this rectangular plate we can see only this portion, then inclined part and half part of this cylindrical extruded part, that is a half portion that appears a rectangle. The both sides we can see, then half portion cylindrical part, base, and the upper cylindrical portion, that is a half part, also you can see in the front view. So these are the part visibles. These two holes and the vertical hole, it is not visible in front view. This portion, highlighted portion, it is visible in front view. So start with the front view. So first prepare the block of total length. Two parameters required, length it is 120 and height 110. So prepare the block from this corner. When we place this as it is here, so this corner it will be appears at this point. So total length of the object 120 mm, this is a 120 mm, and the height of the object, that is 110 mm. Take 110 mm and prepare the block and draw the center line, that is exactly present at the center of the length. Okay, so 120 mm is the length, and at the middle we draw the, at exact 60 mm draw the vertical center line extended into the top view also. Okay, so we start with the solution for the front view. First we can see this portion of the base. So initially that is a outer cylindrical extruded portion, that is a rectangle part we can see. So total diameter of this it is 50 mm. So we can see from this corner total diameter it is 50 mm. This outer diameter it is 50 mm and thickness it is 10 mm. Draw the rectangle. Then exactly connected with this plate, it is total from the center of this circular extruded portion. First draw the center line. So center line it is present at 25 mm. Draw the center line 25 mm from the base, that is 25 mm the base 25 mm, center line, from the center line to the corner of the rectangular plate it is present exactly at 45 mm. Take 45 mm, then horizontally draw the faint line up to total 100 mm. Take 100 mm horizontally. This is total from this corner to this corner, total 100 mm, and then vertically again up to the end. The same portion will be appears on the other side also, that is the extruded cylindrical part, exactly 10 mm. Take the reference. This plate thickness it is a 15 mm. Take 15 mm. Draw the faint position line, and the width of this portion it is exactly 20 mm from the both side. That is a take mark on this line 20 mm, and this is a present. You can see this corner edge, total edge it is visible. Okay, then next part from the center, so outer diameter it is radius it is 30 mm, diameter it is 60 mm. So from center point draw vertical lines, to faint vertical lines exactly at radius 30, diameter 60. Take 30 mm for one side, take 30 mm for the other side. Draw the vertical faint lines. Then with the same on the top end, total diameter it is 72. Take the radius from the center 36 mm, 36 mm for one side, 36 mm for the other side, and draw the dark line. The top, this cylindrical portion we can see, this top end cylindrical portion we can see the rectangle having total 72 mm from the center, exactly from centers, that is a 36 mm for one side, 36 mm for other side, and thickness it is given 10 mm. So 70 by 10 mm. Rectangle you can see in the front view, and the internal cylindrical part that is having radius that is 30. Take 30 mm for both sides, draw the vertical line. So this is the visible part in the front view. Okay, so this is the visible part. So invisible part, these two holes and vertical hole it is invisible. So having diameter 24 mm from this center line, so throughout hole it is present, throughout hole it is present. So two dotted lines for one side, here it is also two dotted lines for this side also. Draw the dotted lines. Exactly diameter 24 mm, 24 mm diameter, 12 mm above and 12 mm below. Mark 12 mm above and 12 mm below, and draw the dotted lines. Okay, then vertical hole, it is also invisible, having diameter 36. So 18 mm for one side, for other side. Draw two dotted lines, top to bottom. Throughout hole it is present. Okay, and also give the some dimensions. It is exactly 15 mm. This end to top end, total from this end to top end, it is a total height, it is 40 mm. This is 30 mm because of 10 mm the thickness of the cylindrical part. Okay, and the diameter of this cylindrical part, it is 50 mm. Take vertical fend projection lines in top view. Can use these projection lines to complete our top view. So draw the block. In top view we can see the total length of the object, that is 120 mm length, and total width, that is 90 mm, exactly at the middle, 90 mm exactly at the middle, 45 mm. This distance it is 45 mm. Draw the center line. We get the center point for these holes. By using this center point we can draw the radius, exactly 36 mm circle, internal diameter, that is a 36, use the radius, that is a 18 mm, and internal radius, that is having 30 mm. So first, that is a visible outer circle. Take the radius exactly 36 mm, put the compass here and draw the circle. In top view you can see this cylindrical circle. Then internal 36 hole diameter, and the middle cylindrical part having radius 30, that is not visible, so draw dotted line. Invisible circle. Okay, this is the top portion. Then we can complete the rectangular block. Exactly width it is 90 mm, width it is given 90 mm, and length it is 120 mm. Now the plate, that is appears exactly dimension 100 mm by 90 mm. So take, this is the 100 mm from this corner to this corner, see this, so total 100 mm. Length of the plate, it is 100 mm, and width it is 90 mm. can see the plate in top view. This part it is visible. Okay, and then visible part, then these two extruded cylindrical parts also visible, that is having diameter 50. Take 2.5 and 2.5 from center line from both the sides. And then connect to the plate. Internal hole, that is we cannot see the hole of diameter 24. So take 12 mm for one side, again 12 mm for one side, for other side, similar way. But that is appears this corner, internal corners of two corners, it is not visible. So initially we can draw these dotted lines because of the hole it will becomes up to that end. So draw the two dotted lines of this corner. This corner in top view we cannot see this thickness of the plate, that is a 20 mm thickness of the plate in top view. So draw the two dotted lines. Exactly dimension it is having 20 mm. Okay, then also mark here 12 mm above, below, and draw the dotted line. The other side also. Okay, then give the some dimensions this in this view also. So internal hole having diameter 24 mm, the radius or diameter of this internal hole, it is given 36 mm, diameter 36 mm, outer circle diameter this outer circle diameter 72 mm diameter, and this plate so this is the final solution. This is the front view of an object and this is the top view of an object. So stay connected for more videos. Thank you.